Greetings everyone, welcome to His Perfect Business. Today we'll be talking about potato chips business. It's one of the business we have you can make at home, sell in your shops. You don't need to go to market to be counting from people. No, it's very easy to make at home. You can make it at home and start producing it. You can start doing it yourself. People will be coming to count from you, not you going to the market to buy from them. So please, this video you people should try. Watch it to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comment and share it. Don't forget to like. Thank you for watching this video. So guys, here is our potato. This one is not Irish potato. This one is called sweet potato. So first we'll peel it. I'm not doing a large quantity today, so because most of things I do it myself and sell in my shop. People also do come to count from my hand, and that's it. So on this video, this is the potato, and we'll start peeling it before washing it. So guys, you know how to peel potato now. It's just the way you peel them also. So guys, we are washing it. You have to wash so that it will be clean, and you put it aside. It's already washed. You have to just pack it inside the tray, because that's. So guys, here is our cutter, but I'm not using this one. This one is small. You can use this one to cut, but due to the way the potato is strong to cut, we'll use the bigger one. The bigger one, which is this. Sure you guys can see it, and we are going to wash it first before putting it among the potatoes. So this big one, if you are buying it, it comes with what is it called? It comes with opener and the last this thing hook. It's like when you are getting finished. When I'm doing it, you guys will be able to see the way I'm doing it. So please watch this video to the end, okay? To start slicing, you just have to use it to pass the surface. Sure you have seen it. Use it to pass the surface, and it will give you the design you want. You be careful. This thing is very sharp. You see, potato is very hard to slice. It's very hard to slice. I hope you guys have seen it. So when it's like this, you cannot use your hand for that, so that you not go and slice it. That's why this one is meant for it. You use it to hold and bring it. See it. So it helps you finish the last one. You take another one again and you cut. So guys, we are done slicing. See those small sweet potato chips? It's much now. We are done slicing it, so we are going for frying. So guys, this is where we are going to make our fire, and this is the fry pan we are going to be using. for the potato chips. So here we have our bowl, and we'll put the filter inside and our spoon to stir it. So guys, we have put our fry pan on the fire. So it's for us to turn our groundnut oil on it so it will get hot. So you guys are seeing it. We have turned our groundnut oil on it so that it can be able to get hot for us to fry it. Sorry for the smoke, no smoke could disturb. So guys, you have to allow the oil to get hot very well. The oil should be very hot. To know if your oil is hot, you have to take one of potato chips to see if the oil is hot. Hope you guys are seeing the way it's boiling. So guys, to be the oil is hot, I'm going to put my potato chips. You guys see it. After you finish putting it like this, put a little bit. This is salt. You just sprinkle salt on it. I prefer doing it like this because to me it's much better. And use your spoon to stir. And then you leave it to fry. So guys, please stir. You'll be stirring it time to time so it can be able to turn. And get fried. So guys, our potato is ready. Here is it. We pack it up on this fire and put it on the filter. So guys, this is the first one that we have fried, and our oil is still on the fire. So we are still going to repeat the same process I showed you in the first place. So you have to sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and you stir it. This is how I used to do my potato chips. People do come to count from me, sell in my shop, and I do sell some in my shop also. So guys, it's still it's almost golden brown. I'm going to start packing it. When it's brown, you know it's dry. So the first one I put on the filter, I remove it and put it on a bowl like this. So guys, we have finished frying our potato chips. So I'll show you guys how I do package my potato chips. And here is our packaging nylon. It has size by size in the market if you want to get it. So it's size by size. I prefer this size. It gives me the amount I want to use it to tie for. If you have sealing machine, you can actually use sealing machine to seal it, or you tie it when after finish putting the plantain chips. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, this is the length of the nylon I'm using. This pattern is very easy to package your potato chips. If you have sealer, you can use sealing machine to seal it. If you don't have sealer, you can use candle to seal if you are good in candle. But if you are not, you just do it like this. You tie it the way I'm doing it. You put this aside. Let me show you again. Also, this one you can also put it in a bottle to sell to your customers who orders from you in bottle. While this, we also do canting for this. Who come count from you, go to the market, sell it, or sell in their shop. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, drop your comment, and share this video. So guys, here is our potato chips. We have finished packaging it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, like, and make sure you share this video so that other people who are looking for business idea can be able to get more business idea on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.